The nervous system is one of the most important organ systems of the human body. The nervous system is responsible for the regulation of all the activities of a human body and controls the functions of all the organ systems like respiratory system, muscular system, skeletal system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, etc. Daily activities like hearing, answering the telephone, riding a bicycle, understanding the problems, memorizing a lesson, etc. are controlled by nervous system. The nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. क्या आपने देखा है कि क्यों किसी अनकॉन्शियस पर्सन को किसी भी तरह का पेन, किसी चीज के कोल्ड होने, हॉट होने का अनुभव या कोई आवाज सुनाई नहीं पड़ती है? ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि अनकॉन्शियस होने पर हमारा ब्रेन हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स को या बॉडी के दूसरे पार्ट्स को किसी भी तरह का सिग्नल्स नहीं भेजता है। हम ब्रेन की वजह से ही किसी चीज को देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, स्मेल कर सकते हैं, वॉक कर सकते हैं या बैठ सकते हैं, क्योंकि ब्रेन ही हमें यह सब करने के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस देता है। जब हम किसी चीज को अपनी आंखों से देखते हैं, तब हमारी आंखें ब्रेन को सिग्नल्स भेजती हैं। इन सिग्नल्स को ब्रेन इंटरप्रेट करता है और बताता है हम क्या देख रहे हैं और हमारी आंखें उस चीज को देख पाती हैं। सिमिलरली, जब हम किसी चीज को टच करते हैं, तब हमारी स्किन ब्रेन को सिग्नल्स भेजती हैं और ब्रेन उस सिग्नल्स को इंटरप्रेट करता है। तब हम फील करते हैं कि वह चीज हॉट है, कोल्ड है, स्मूथ है, रफ है, सॉफ्ट है या किसी अन्य तरह की है। Let's see another example. If alarm is ringing, this information is sent to our brain by our ears, and our brain send information to our hand to push the button of alarm. So, this passing of information signals from body organs to the brain and the brain to body organs is the job of our nervous system. Our nervous system is divided into two main parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system consists brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of all nerves. This system through which these signals are sent and received is called nervous system. Our nervous system is made up of millions of specialized cells called neurons. By these neurons, signals are transferred in our body. Example, our brain gets a signal if we are hurt and makes us feel the pain. Brain, center of control in the human body. जैसे अगर आप वॉक करते हैं और आपको कितनी दूर तक जाना है, कहाँ से वापस आना है, या आपका ब्रेन ही आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स को बताता है। The weight of the adult human brain is about 1.4 kilograms. Did you know that each half of the brain controls the opposite half of the body? Means लेफ्ट साइड का ब्रेन राइट साइड के बॉडी पार्ट्स को कंट्रोल करता है और राइट साइड का ब्रेन लेफ्ट साइड के बॉडी पार्ट्स को कंट्रोल करता है। The system through which signals are sent and received is called nervous system. Nervous system is made up of millions of neurons. The parts of the nervous system are the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Human brain is the most complex organ. Brain lies well protected inside the hard, bony skull. Our brain is soft and delicate like jelly. This is why it is protected by the skull, a strong and bony structure. There is some space between the brain and the skull, and it is filled with the cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid acts as a cushion for the brain. It protects the brain against jerk and injuries. The brain is a wrinkled structure that resembles a walnut. The brain has three parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the medulla. Each part has its own specific functions. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain. It has many wrinkles. It consists of two parts and has a dome-shaped surface. It controls our sense organs and is also responsible for our thinking and reasoning abilities. The cerebrum receives messages from the sense organs and sends back messages about what has to be done. Our thoughts, memories, intelligence, learning are also controlled by cerebrum. This is reason it is sometimes also called the thinking part of our brain. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain, just below the cerebrum. The cerebellum coordinates voluntary movements such as balance, posture, speech, muscles coordination of the body. Medulla. The lowest part of the brain is called the medulla or the brain stem. It forms a bridge between the brain and spinal cord. It controls involuntary actions such as digestion, respiration, blood circulation, and heartbeat. Our brain is divided into two hemispheres, left and right. अगर किसी व्यक्ति के ब्रेन के लेफ्ट हेमिस्फीयर में चोट लगती है या स्ट्रोक होता है, तब उसका राइट साइड बॉडी पार्ट्स फंक्शन करना बंद कर देता है, और यदि ब्रेन के राइट हेमिस्फीयर में इंजरी होती है, तब उसका लेफ्ट साइड का बॉडी पार्ट्स फंक्शन करना बंद कर देता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नेम द लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ our brain. Question number 2. Which part of our brain controls involuntary actions? Question number 3. Which part of our brain is responsible to maintain the balance of the body? Question number 4. Name the part of our brain that has many wrinkles. Question number 5. If someone is injured in the right hemisphere of the brain, which side of body parts will stop working?